Hello, everyone. I thought it would be fun to show you a new way to use some of my background images that I post. Today, we're going to take a simple background square and we're going to put a mask over the top of it. We're going to change the color of the mask to blend in with the background, and we're going to paste a quote on top. And Creative Fabrica has tons of transparent quotes that you could copy and paste onto these all day long. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to my folder where the sample files are here so that you can practice. And it will be in the description link of the video. And I'll also add a link to Creative Fabricus quotes in case you want to browse through there and see if you can find one that you like. These are very quick and easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this using photopea.com, and that is an online website. It's a free app. It's very similar to Photoshop, which is what I use to create my designs. But today we're doing it at photopea.com because it's free and everybody can use it. You can use it on your phone, on your tablet, or on your desktop. I'll add a link to Photopea in the description also. Okay, well, let's get started. First of all, you want to upload 3 files from the download folder. You want background 1 PNG, you want mask 1 PNG, and text 1 PNG. Once you have those opened, everything goes very quick. This is your main working, so we want to make sure that we're working in this one. Go over to Mask 1, open it, select Edit, Copy, bring it back over to the background, Edit, up here on the menu bar, Edit, and Paste. It's just that simple. Now, I do not want black. You can turn this any color you'd like. Today, I'm going to try and make mine similar to this right here, a cream color. So I want to go over here into the layer panel, go down to where it says EFF, which is the layer styles. Click it, scroll up to where it says color overlay, and I will go in here to choose my color. Now, I've practiced this before making the video, so mine comes up cream already. You'll click this, it'll probably be black. Bring this little plus with your mouse, bring it over into the image, and as you click on the background image, it's going to turn the mask the same color that you're clipping on. And so you can get really creative and make it any color you desire. I'm going for the cream. I really like that. And once I have my color, I will go ahead and close these out, click OK and OK. Just that simple. Then I have a saying already created on text 1. Select Edit, Copy, and I can bring that over here. Edit, paste, ta-da, we're done. It's just that simple. And what you want to do is File. If you want to save this as a template, you can click Save as PSD, and then it's a working file with layers. If you just want your image, export as PNG, and then you can upload it to your Facebook page, website, wherever you would like to add this image. It's just that simple. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you.